AWS Outposts now allows you to use Dell PowerStore and HPE Alletra storage arrays with EC2 instances, addressing the need to maximize on-premises storage investments in hybrid environments. You can use these arrays for both boot and data volumes, complementing EBS and local instance store options. This enables streamlined OS management and advanced data features. You can leverage automation scripts for setup and access the feature through the AWS console or CLI. This integration helps satisfy data residency requirements while maintaining a consistent cloud operational model. Migrating VMware workloads to AWS requires recreating complex network configurations while maintaining operational consistency. AWS Transform for VMware now supports Terraform module generation alongside existing CloudFormation and CDK options. You can automatically discover and plan VMware workload migrations, generate Terraform modules from source network definitions, maintain operational consistency during the migration process, and use your preferred tools for modular, customizable network configurations. This new capability enables you to accelerate infrastructure modernization while leveraging familiar deployment pipelines and tools. AWS Transfer Family introduces 4 new IAM condition keys to address the need for more precise access control and configuration management. These keys allow you to create more specific IAM policies and service control policies for Transfer Family resources. You can now author policies based on Transfer Family context to control protocols, endpoint types, and storage domains. This enables you to create granular IAM policies, restrict configurations for Transfer Family resources, control protocols and endpoint types via policies, and enhance overall security controls and compliance management. By leveraging these new condition keys, you can implement stricter permission guardrails and improve your organization's security posture when using AWS Transfer Family services. AWS Transfer Family previously allowed full access to its APIs through VPC endpoints, limiting granular control over API access. The new VPC endpoint policies feature addresses this by enabling you to define and attach policies to interface VPC endpoints. You can now attach policies to control access, manage specific API actions, define which principals can perform actions, and specify resources they can act upon. These policies integrate with existing IAM and organizational policies. Additionally, you can use FIPS 140-3 enabled VPC endpoints for increased security compliance. These enhancements provide improved data protection and security posture for your Transfer Family deployments across all AWS regions where the service is available. IPv4 address exhaustion and government mandates are driving IPv6 adoption. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP now supports IPv6, addressing these challenges. You can access file systems using IPv6, mitigating IPv4 address scarcity in private networks. This helps comply with government IPv6 mandates like OMB M2107. The feature allows using IPv4, IPv6, or dual-stack clients without complex IPv6 to IPv4 translation infrastructure. IPv6 support is available for new file systems in all AWS Commercial and GovCloud, US, regions where FSx is offered, with existing file system support coming soon. AWS Storage Gateway lacked granular access control for its direct APIs within VPC environments. This new feature allows you to attach endpoint policies to VPC endpoints for Storage Gateway. You can now attach endpoint policies to VPC endpoints, enabling fine-grained control over Storage Gateway direct API access. This improves data protection and security posture for your hybrid cloud storage setup. The feature enhances access management for backing up, archiving, and accessing cloud data from on-premises applications. It is available in all regions where Storage Gateway is supported, providing consistent security controls across your AWS infrastructure. As IPv4 addresses become scarce and government regulations push for IPv6 adoption, organizations need file storage solutions that support both protocols. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server now offers IPv6 support, addressing these challenges. You can use IPv6 to access your file systems, mitigating IPv4 address exhaustion in private networks. This feature helps comply with government mandates for IPv6 adoption. You can now access file systems using IPv4, IPv6, or dual-stack clients without complex translation infrastructure. IPv6 support is available for new file systems in all AWS commercial and GovCloud (US) regions where FSx is offered, with support for existing systems coming soon. Managing container infrastructure can be complex and time-consuming. Amazon ECS Managed Instances addresses this by eliminating infrastructure management overhead while providing full EC2 capabilities. You can define task requirements like ZVC POS and memory, and ECS automatically provisions optimal EC2 instances. You can specify preferred instance types, including specialized options. The service dynamically scales instances to match workload demands and optimizes task placement for cost efficiency. Regular security patching enhances your security posture, with scheduling options to minimize disruptions. This feature simplifies container management, improves performance, and reduces total cost of ownership for your containerized applications.